So otumfo ba no kra yebetwia fa so. Se me say otumfo wo fa se no kra yebetwia fa so. Come nhyia ko report it because otumfo say to the adwuma hye mayor nensa. O se ontia santeman ho, wan ka se onti baby ho. O se ontia santeman enim. Into his job is to clean a santeman.
Yes, I'm just one mob on time for Papa. Yes, you want my chop and woman, your mammy. Yes, sir. When your mammy and some for some commission prophet. Because one can say, when you're body for the roof of them, Miss Ramon Fan. Yes, but me, I'm a duty, Miss Ancasan and Quay. Because Prophet made it won't be me one. Deputy Sam Joe, yes, yes, and Fansham was
Medafo Pancha Bia and a Kumasi Mayo. Eden Sembi ever to just say, would Jadinia who say, would you our mea a year 1 and nam, and our friends who are better womboa, Ediana Basabasana, dear say, and Brapa, and a new biddy, and they are some way better Jano, not just a woman for Bibina, and ever can some idiot Tiano, as send some of the 2 Jano to say, and tray you cry, and on I'm swamming nation prophet of Pambo, Abekasa, Edia Farm say, so Suya passes as I'm no kind, Padia, and the one brand on the patcho. Same pono so one can say, yeah, one old nation prophet of Pambo, age and name a patcho. It's answer mine, and no one so and a Kevin Taylor, and so Abekasa, Edia Famu essay, and some truffle more essay, a Kumasi Mayo and the patron, a dare say, or Mupefi, Sanso and a Santa for Mobeka, Edifan, or Mupefi pa, no Kumasi Mayo, Nejuma pa, a Ghana man penny and after Santiment ready action and son, and one or yeno. Nidiana saw Beshena Santimamu, a water crojing to the morning to your beer, 1 year Nejuma, 1 year Nejuma, send your beye, Nakumase, a better and after Sanso and a Santimamu, a better crojing, and then some out of Bena and a nation prophet and our friend Sono, a Kevin Taylor, Ebeka edifan, some out draw, a Kumasi mayo, Ebeka edify, said the 4 and our friends woman for a bayo Kumasi and after Santimamu. Basano, young quite near good sin some outdoor a nation prophet of Pambo and Alphonse Kevin Taylor at the bed to drive by at was to Eddie Mam. Yet, what would see a woman now make a for tap send Eddie Mouse or Amnone. That's how send this scared their bag and from Obama's bank account and as a ZP. Quite upstand as a place to knock download the tap send beside promo code. What about the party where I show near children's at a Kawaii so she made up Yensi and some of the nation prophet of Pambo and Alphonse Kevin Taylor added to drive Edify Kumasi mayo nensama wadi betu jano
Zuba washa jumase odi from Bachan prophet Onabu Zuba washa jumase gidigidi Onabu Zuba sha Bachan prophet washa se wahi odi for washa se wasantimamia asa hayano wana prophet odi nsem bia betu dwa wasantimamia mpacho wada washa se akasa gidigidi pa Zuba Onabu Zuba washa se akasa odi she obibia washa se akasa me Bachan prophet o se di asem odi for onobody asem bia came a boss wo say maame fo ni dwadifo omwo mpacho kwan su etonto ne ma okwan ho adum ho no prophet so wo ma nyi amfiri ho no nyame ya no wo hya ase so obo mu nyina obi ana de esi kwan bi obo obo primo omo papa nya birim koto akora
ona buzu ba de bro na hya ase
odifo Before prophet Pacha no cre. Wada Roma. Ana ma me for no so dia betu dwa se. Sebi omo makura no mu ofie kura no. Omo fo mo nsanka wo. Emro omo sa. Na nka be se ma me fo pelifo a omo nyina du sei. Ama sebi ebi boto omo nyina afu dwene. Obobore yen.
Mama do o se omo me gina o di nka me.
Me se why di.
Me ya sure se sa me basa.
Odifo Pacha sa na aba Pacha.
Aba na sa waka
sana mpacho waka wada Roma aba abonten abe
nti waka
me pacha
video
me pacha prophet kese pa
oye press conference no oka sa asem na pacha of referee TV station ni radio station na pacha wode to mu nyina ni
we are sure
wode from pacha a video that social media sisi pacha
so obabu omo a eton ne ma no
pacha obeto ho
meti abaisi omo so aburo omo
bo pa no police station asembia ono abebo
na keme boss abu a wo de ne koy
so fa anko police station wo chewa no abo
anya no cry
nation's prophet
A pro no dia shase.
Pacha san no dia to jam pacha.
Na no kasa no obi ante ne nchen.
Oni fo ni penifo nyina atwa ne ho ahia.
So mutin so no trouser mtwen say. Minya sure say be bisa.
Odi fo ansa na oba beta be bisa na ya de o maka no kokua mu na o de aba abon.
There be so for there be o ka we wo kokom di ba bontia. Afi no wo hia dwuma say. Afi no wo hia dwuma say.
Ya no kre mu. Ya no kre.
Ti se basa. So for. Ayo Kumasi o.
Pacha.
Asam ketua bi. Na ko fa sam kase.
Ko fa sam kase.
Di apa?
No kre.
Ti e bia na anu na fom ye. Onya na dwen sa.
Yes sir.
Enya tene no beso ka no. E bia na ados wonanum. Ena no pie bai. Ti Ghana for ne asanteman fa nche no.
Okay. Almost wo mu hia cha opa kase pa prophet.
Eno na me pai.
Eno na pacha. E free zuba ho.
Ai.
Yes.
Mi chanu ma pacha ma.
O se so wa ma bontena emfa papa ba.
Nya hwe won pai ya cha opa ni o mo nyema me.
Yes sir.
O mo nyema me na sam fara sam kom.
Nation prophet.
Because wan kasa ye.
Ya onyankopɔ di fo di huru fo abem.
Misra mo fa
Mo
nche.
abem. Yes sir.
Fat. Ni amedi tum sa kasa na nkoyi.
Because prophet me dey to nfa untumi mi wa no no.
Dabi jam sa na mi gina wodi sa.
Wo gina wo din. Yes.
Bro de se mfa ncha mamu asesa. Mfa ncha mamu asesa.
Ke yura ma ama na di kan ka obo wo.
Because edwom no market le ebi ahye na nsa ya ebi nye ba bi ntran tonwa.
Ntonwa de no kure.
Nti esese eyo se ya abotere.
Se ne akrokro.
Ene kasa kire, ni akrokro. Ebi ya munyina sei, ebi ya ka ba mo twem ho. Ebi ya hom sofo na koba se munyi mu niam giri na mirika na bo niam ehwiegu, ni efa we di egu ka mu, ni esesa we di yese ya. Oni be ba ho so no. Na de nsama kese ayi den.
Aba. If you tena ya o, nti munye careful. Aya na bebre wura fi se o mu tena fie che. If you tena ya o.
If you tena ya. 8 years.
Odi from pacho what sorry on pakura na wonim ba bia wo koye adwuma na wo tifie. Ifo yase ne bibia.
Na o manso ko school des
man school ko school des kani ho.
Enwumena nso ne awie ombedidi.
Oh,
ne skani ho.
Ifo NDC for that was nyame hira wo.
Hwe.
Se wonam wo sere wo nyame dia ma wo so. Etu aban MPP to fam. Na do mo ba akonya so. Na aya na ye me yase NDC for ebi mo awura ahya ase efi. Prophet. Na ewiase de obo a owura fi na aya akira sem na no.
You were president mama. Oso chia.
Yes sir prophet. Madam mama Jenny.
Tino. Ochia mu nyina.
Yes sir.
Dede ni nyina ne say say the new Kumasi mayor Zuba. Say we can assemble about hawkers and traders who are working or who at the end of the day they have taken over the streets of the Kumasi busy area Edum. Now Zuba and I say the Kumasi mayor Kasano, and I've listened to that statement. I see on it he believes in democratic rule, but a little bit of military attachment to it. He believes in it because when it comes to Edum, me nya sure say yente that say omo mujina Edum a thing block gutters block pavement. This is the first time Ayaka said mema obia enjina ekwan ho emfa table mesi kwan ho em block traffic enye fin ewa santimemu. This is not the first time. As the mayor of Kumasi, he has a plan. And the plan is to make sure he enforces the law. As a journalist, my job here is that semi nimejuma meka kire obia ojina pavement so aye juma aton ade aye fin a block gata say in your own interest semi a journalist meka kire obia obu mmra so e Kumasi edum say free baby a obu mmra so no every say emra no ebetumi ni wedi. It is simple as that. Mr. Semi a journalist am Kumasi. My message to the people who are breaking the law, who are forcing the mayor to make this statement will be that mo mujina jina kwan wo eduma ma block kwan. Mo ye efin air block gutters. Mo air block traffic. Mo amuni ho kwan se mo begina ekwan ho aye den. Aye eduma egu asantiman ho fin. Say asantiman dwa no. Me a journalist to Kumasi, I make us a munyina move free kwano because we want the law to work and we want everybody to adhere to the laws. Now, it does not matter whatever he said, because in the first place, the Kumasi mayor has not attacked anybody. Listen to me. Say Kumasi mayor catcher say, at the end of the day, he has made the statement, but he has not made the action. He has not taken the action. That's the right word I'm looking for. He has not taken the action. So nobody can sit in Kumasi and say, so boom raso. Maybe the intentions are there, but he has other ways to, at the end of the day, approach the situation. The question here is, jina gatas so jina kwa ho ye efin e block gatas e we dum no, are they right? They are wrong. Now remember, the law, mo amujina dum na mubu mra no. Ma adwene am say MPP ni bi gina TV so, me te said the last guy kwasi ampanyi awonani aboa. Wabetna city. The mayor is using military there and the kwasi Ghana na efo. Una go gina court say trumu protect it. E krobia nka boat trimu to atwatwene. Awona four boys ni baby agimi to the point say omo bedu nkran a no munya mic enim tena Bernard Avlemone the last guy kwasi afo betena mic enim a omo nyinso nim nyansa chen obi a. The last guy koye law, ye hu law papa bi oyeye. Kwasi ampanyi de bia na oti eye city so on nim wiase nyansa me see. Wo the last guy kako pie Malawi anke kum. Na Ghana ne mu ofo Jimmy for trumu na wo protect trumu ma afenyo makin. And the other man no nose mask or Ghana. Now the real issue is we need to understand say sometimes the law, if we decide to resist the law or we decide to push back, there's something called a reasonable force. It is the responsibility of the mayor of Kumasi to make sure Kumasi is clean. It is the responsibility of the mayor of Kumasi to make sure say Otunfo say to assassin etwana mutiama na odetena office no, he keeps the city clean. If he's going to use reasonable force, and some of the reasonable force say ya betwe wase. So when tie mra no ya bo kokko na so we wa adwiri say wo de wo ye dehye wo beton nyoma e wo pavement so a reasonable force le bi ni say e betuma atwe wase e de wato ka mu akoto wato jail. Reasonable force say or resist say ye will feel it. There are so many ways to define reasonable force. It is a mutuo na se obi aba santimemu na se person o enforce mra no na mumu bi ma adwene ya mo say ye de Kumasi yete ye be se ebu mra so ye mu obia. I support the mayor 1,000%. When he gets on the street and people are obia otekwa no ho a emra eman ho kwai so ontena ho no, he should apply reasonable force. Because police grab a chow. Na say wa ngo homa police na nchow. Na okuta warrant na wa ngo ho because warrant ne na man ho kwan so on chow. Ana on fa wonko. The same way mayor no e what the right anything or dem mrana to anything I catch them say oh mamo e days way mu emfree ho because emra ne mamo ho kwan. Into the warrant no and the warning or the amamo no. So if he has given you the warning as in his capacity as the mayor of Kumasi, that's why you say you will not adhere to his warrant, his warning, he can apply reasonable force. Intermediate Montana Kwano because a person cleaning gates no, a person cleaning the business center, a person or tea or mining, na obi efrabroche be dua santimemo who say o 2-4 tifimu na o 2-4 garden city no ampa emu ehwam emu nya time. Into the 2 weeks notice no, they also had this year no, only the ombum ranos no ho. I support mayor Zuba. Every reasonable force he needs to take to clean the busy center, the Kumasi Edum Center no, he should apply the law. They also on Tiase Ronko Court. Me say we are going to force Ghanaians to develop this country. Obianiwa our permits to sell on the pavement. Obianiwa Otunfo for a any permit to sell on the pavement of Kumasi. Otunfo or say to Miami Nana. Ne wa fast be any war permit. Otunfo Krane Ba does not have permit to sell on the pavement in Kumasi. Why no to come and tell me say mayor say leave the pavement because the pavement belongs to the government. Anything you see ja. And it's all kwasi abetina kwano ho. That's why I argue say yeah they are traffic much into to me society. The problem with Asante Mine say you are scared of change. you cannot adapt to change. When you hear change, when you hear change, all because say yes, some abraba na muyemu shishimo. It is obiti finwa, not otifinum and fe. But we are going to change that narrative. And it's now called PZ, obiti nsioso, on sorry ni bubu, na yama insuo dinjina ho, send a jatoa, ya bet me edum jana, or say on tiasi and then asase. You people cannot adapt to change. More problem, you know, say musro change. And it's more problem with Kumasi Ashanti Regional Minister. And it's more problem with Kumasi Mayor because musro change. So be the at the papa be a ba na opeso osisa santimai ema enitia na musro because you are used to, majority of you, with all due respect, you are used to filth. A thing any krasam mumudo duono, you are used to it. You grew up in it. You think say change is something that you cannot adapt to. And to the echoes why you are fighting back, it is the change you are scared of. But this gentleman is willing to work because he has been a DC in Obuasi before. MC, I saw his work. He insisted in changing Obuasi. Oko Obuasi Hose Parker. He insisted. He got resistance, but he insisted and he got it done. And I know this gentleman, with the help of the regional minister, you people can say whatever you want to say. Some are young men, some are NDC4, but these people need to apply the law. Sa inkurasi semna yeti fimu, ye defend fin, ya dream say a fin ya diabeko baby a penal, we will stop it. I support the mayor 1,000%. You people can misquote him. I don't care about you misquoting the mayor. I care about the output. I care about the job. Is he going to deliver? That's what I need. Yenya Ashanti Regional Minister Kwasi Ampenyi we betina Kumasi didi mu nyina matem motena ho because you are used to dirty people, you are used to filth, you are used to being and staying in one position without adapting to change. But change is coming and you cannot do anything. Wa 1% ye betria fa so Kumasi no, you have to go into the market to sell. So wotna gata no ho. So we have fingu gatanim, so create a thing, ye be chia falso. So 2 for bano cry be chia falso. Say, me say 2 for fasten cry, ye be chia falso. Come in share report it because 2 for said to the Juma Sheme on Nensa. Or say on tia santima home, one can say on tea baby home, or say on tia santima nim. Into his job is to clean a santimine. I need the outcome. I don't care about the misquoting. I don't care about the insult you are insulting him. As far as I know, John Mahama has given me a job, and that job is to make sure Ashanti region is cleaned, is protected, and you, the people there, will protect my lives. The all year and then is to protect your lives because Mumubi a fee a kumo. So nobody should think say the misquoting and trying to put this guy in a box will stop this guy from delivering. He will make sure he does the job. Masa, Zuba, let me tell you. Do not listen to Kumasi 4. Kumasi 4 na say kotoko. Kumasi 4 e no mu hwefia no mu didi otumfo atem. Me na make catch Kumasi 4 omu ofia omu frɛ otumfo setutu kokudua. Kumasi 4 we ya omu pia no mafra ntoma na wabutubutu na nanim. Minim Kumasi 4. I know them. Minyini wa santimemu. Me se sa Kumasi 4 we no mu di otumfo ho omu di na tem wo dem. Kumasi 4 no mu keka otumfo ho nsɛm. Sa santifo Kumasifo we ya na kabantima hene ho nsɛm. Kumasifo na ka se Mahama ba Kumasi abedi otumfo ata we mu a. Do not listen to Kumasifo. Na nya Kumasifo nyina na pe Kumasi ye. Omo hene pon no kura no, omo ka no ho asɛm. Omo di na tem wo dem. Omo pia bontina na ma bebu ntuma, ebutu fom se nkokɔ. I know these people. I know them like my boxers. You cannot please them. Do what you have to do to help Asantemai. Otumfo anko tie Kumasifo anu anko ntumi ndi hene. Otumfo se tutu. Ono ane nkofo se otie omo suban ene omo anu a anka henie nko gya to ho. Omo tumi di na tem wo dem to say the onyo hene. We hear it every day. Do not underestimate them. Don't give them the room to misbehave. Concentrate, respect the chief, and do your job. The osi on pese obeye we juma no onko report ma JM. That is the most important thing now. Minim Kumasifo, minim Asantefo. Nipa omutumi eku aboa eku aboate ne yamu bini ede ye nkwan no mo ye dangerous mo be dangerous se ope obi mana ka asantefo kumasefo asama kire abuso otumfo enya bibia na oka yesi panyi due mante unim de otumfo nim unim de on de aye no unim nsema maka afa no ho unim de onim de asantefo betuma aye no eni ti otumfo ne asantefo tena se onum nsuo because asantefo nya otumfo mbeku no me na me ka kire. So do not listen to asanteman. The why willing so obeboa no ni nya adwuma the onye ready no. From what I know, the king and not the chief of asanteman otumfo we tu kwan wakwa brochire onimumpuntio onim de efe. I know if you do the job and you concentrate, he will support you. So do not listen to these people. Bibia so many Herbert Mensa be ye kotoko ye omu wi omu gure ni mase ye ni momo nana kwa me baaye omu wi omu tena radio to di natem. I know these people. These are not people you can please. In fact, some of them you cannot just please them. So whatever you want to do, do it. But make sure you are doing it to benefit the people of Asanteman. That is what you need to do. Focus on your job. Obuasinia is not easily distracted. Don't let anybody intimidate you. What Kumasi? You know the terrain. Abaso. Sorry, the abaso. Ubeko party. Men ji omunyina ndi. Na nyo omunyina ne pewa asem. Omuhene kasiye de kurano. They know, you know what they do to him. Otumfo, oman ho kwan anka asantefo be record na be kiremu. I am telling you. Me say otumfo say tutu. Say nyon ne ne ding. Eno di nice for ma. Anka asantefo be wura ne bedroom a record na be to abontene. Do you know what is happening in Asanteman? Na asantefo ba ku mienu bi cancel na wuti omo. Just respect the chief, just respect the law, just respect the president and do your job.
Ebusiana ne nsema hodro ekotie efi opambo nation prophet wana afin so no Kevin Taylor efa Kumasi mayor ne nsema ode betu dwa enkrofo etwe ne sre ene abasa na afin so mo twe na bo so no ene ekone ekotie mu nsema bae best sabata fa comment eto ase o so share na kwata fa so se ne bia tibet maka video bi we did the abna o so mo fa makram ye besen share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me office was any scabania de awie ni project no eso de bia me office ka mane wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending ka
no so ne de
tap send here easy fast and secured way ubetimi send this free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a obaye ne say
kire ne se won ko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shem obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send e the good news aba tap send the gene ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so your customer wo UK sisia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
ene se te say use momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shem kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no